Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's topic is electrical estimation and contracting practicals. I already uploaded the practical number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Today I discuss the practical number 5th. These are these practicals 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the second practical. I already uploaded it. This is the third. This is the diagram and calculations also in this, and the last is conclusion. Third is based on commercial installation and fourth is based on industrial installation. So this is the practical number 5th. To draw single line diagram of 11 kilovolt substation. So this is the diagram of single line diagram. So the 11 kilovolt, one overhead line, then after this fuse, and then the isolating switch, after this transformer, and then the earthing. So see this diagram. Next is aim, relevant course outcomes and the practicals outcomes. Next is the last is conclusion. Hence by completing this practical we are able to draw the single line diagram of 11 kilovolt substation and identifying the various components used in it. So next is the sixth practical number. To prepare the part on the recent trends in street lighting, that is the public lighting. This is the aim of practical number 6. After this aim, course outcome, that is COs, POs and then the report. Object of street lighting. 3 board objectives of street lighting design: safety, performance, appearance. Safety and security are the prime concern of majority of installation of door. For this, recent trends in street lighting, see this. And the moreover small street lighting, see this carefully and note down it. Then in the last, the conclusion is that by completing this practical we are able to know the various information about the recent trends in street lighting. Next is practical number 7. Aim is that to know the different tests to be carried out after the electrical installation as per IS. So the aim, COs, POs and the tests are: first is the insulation resistance between earth and conductor of wiring. Second is insulation resistance between conductors. Third is testing polarities of non-linked single pole switches. And fourth is testing earth continuity path. This is the diagram. See carefully. Line, neutral, energy meter, line load, then main switches, line and neutral wires and the lamp circuit, and in down the Megger suitable lamps. So the apparatus used for such type of testing are tester, test lamp, earth tester and the Megger. In such test, all the lamps and fuse are kept in the circuit and all switches on position, and initially the main switch kept in off position and main switch is taken out. So to avoid such situation, all such parts are solidly connected to earthing system with the help of earth wire. If there is no earth continuity, that can be confirmed by carrying out earth's continuity test. Testing and procedure: first is open the main switch, second is fuse to be taken off, and third is keep the lamp in the respective lamp holder. Next, this is the consumer earthing terminology. This is the main switch and distribution bound, and this is the diagram, and this is the procedure. And after this, the practical number 8, that is the aim is that collect tender notice. It is very simple and easy. Tender notice This is the tender notice. COs after COs POs. This is the tender notice. Tender notice date. This is the tender notice. Scale tender in the prescribed form for the follow works are invited from registered contractors in appropriate class with government, etc., etc. So last is the right hand side name, and this sum, and the conclusion is that hence by completing this practical we are able to make a tender notice. So these are the practicals of electrical estimation and contracting. Some students are requested to upload for these videos, so today I uploaded this.